Stop throwing eggshells in the trash. Big mistake. Those shells are free calcium and minerals for your plants. In this video, I show how to make free eggshell powder fertilizer at home in minutes. No mixer, no chemicals, no extra costs, just smart gardening. See why plants become weak, yellow, and slow growing. Learn how eggshell calcium makes stems strong, leaves dark green, and roots healthy. Step-by-step method for beginners and balcony gardeners. Works for aloe, tomato, chili, rose, and all houseplants. Save money, grow plants naturally with kitchen waste. Watch till end for pro tip to activate calcium faster. If you love zero-budget plant care, share this with gardening friends. Comment your plant problems below. 1 step: wash eggshells before making powder. 2 step: dry in sunlight. Crush and ground. Eggshells powder is ready to use in plants.